I'm Miss Ramsey,
And I'm Miss Hild.
and we are the sponsors of Hiking Club. We are going to be planning on meeting one Wednesday a month this fall, and we are planning on hiking at local parks such as Fort Bend, Eagle Creek, Holiday Park, Murat Park, so on and so forth. Wherever anybody wants to hike, we are planning on getting some hikes in, socially distanced hikes.
Yeah, so about that socially distanced hiking, if you do attend a hike, you must wear a mask the whole time, and self-transit is required. So you will either, if you're old enough, have to drive yourself or have a parent guardian drive you there and pick you up. Uh, Permission slips are required, as well as a waiver you'll have to have signed will be required. And we will get those out to you at our first virtual meeting, and when we have our sort of sign up of interest people. And that's it.
Look for us in the announcements. We'll be announcing a call out meeting on Zoom. We hope that you come hike with us.
Pretty great.
It is great. Best club at Heron High School.